Guys, look at this. Now I'm in the go-kart. ये जो red one है okay? Huh? Cause we're gonna get in these go-karts and we're gonna drive them. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Nainuvlogs. Today I'm going to show you the F1 track, and as you can see, I'm in my room and we just ate our breakfast, and now we're going to the F1 track. We're gonna get our stuff ready, the drone ready, and we're going to the F1 track. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And come on with us and let's make this video. And don't forget, we're in Islamabad and I did my birthday here. The Fashion Masjid is right with us, and now let's go and do this video with you guys. Hey guys, now we are at the go-karts, and look at that behind me. There's a lot of go-karts. They're super fast, and I didn't think they were going to be super loud. They're super loud, they're super cool, and my dad is going to drive one, right? And let's make this video and stay tuned, because we're gonna get in these go-karts and we're gonna drive them. Guys, look at this. Now I'm in the go-kart. It's really cool. Look at this. Right? Yeah, this is the brake, and that's the.
They can't even reach it.
Yeah, I can't even reach it. I can kind of reach it like that, but not too much. But super cool.